Good morning, everyone. So, our topic for today is on how to save and submit your project through email. Okay, first, from your MBlock IDE, we have to rename your project here. For example, sample. Okay, after that, you have to click this file button and select save to your computer, and it will, okay, appear this storage here. Okay, you have to select a storage. For example, I will select download storage and click the save button. After that, you have to open a Gmail, Gmail, a Gmail. After, you have to click this compose button. For example, you're going to submit your project to this address, Holy Cross College, Sa. Okay, we have here a attach file button. You have to click this one to attach your MBlock file. Okay, select your file and then click this open button and it will load here. If you see your file like this, it means that you already uploaded your file. After that, you're going to click this send button. After that, done. Click send this image without any subject. Okay. If you want to add a subject, you can add. If for to check if that project was already sent in that particular address, you can check it here in your sent box. Okay. And as you can see, we already sent our project to the Holy Cross College of Sa. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.